Hello?
Happy 18th birthday, Angel. This is the year to spread your wings and fly. May you achieve endless goals and continue growing into the incredible woman that you are. May your 18th be filled with bold choices, beautiful moments, and endless laughter. This birthday is a big deal. Embrace every moment and keep smashing it. Ang hirap mag-English. Basta, happy birthday na lang. Sana naintindihan mo. Ako, di ko naintindihan. Happy birthday! Inaanak kong maganda. Happy birthday!
Kantahan nyo na si Ate Angel. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ate Angel. Happy birthday, Ate Angel. Happy birthday, Ate Angel. Happy birthday, Ate Angel.
Oh, di ba? Happy birthday daw, Ate Angel. Dalaga ka na. Sundin mo yung daddy at mommy mo, ha?
Angel.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel. Tsaka na lang yung regalo, sabi ni Ninong. Malapit na akong yumaman, pera na lang ang kulang. Happy birthday! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel.
Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Bye! Happy birthday sa
I-type ang last mo to Dapat akong pinaka-special dyan. Kasi, tita, ako lang tumagal sa anak niyo. 13 years. Okay, start na ako, tita. Happy birthday, Yang. Wish you all the best. And, I miss you so much. Kahit malapit lang yung barangay niyo. Hindi kita mapuntahan kasi nga busy ako sa work. Pero, love pa rin kita. Isipin mo kahit wala kang boyfriend, kahit walang lalaki sa buhay mo, except sila tito Andito ako, the one and only. Likert scale. And, I love you so much. Kahit hindi kita sister sa blood, kung may blood ka pa, kapatid pa rin turing ko sa'yo. And, para na kitang ading anak, best friend, ading. Ako, talaga. And I'm super grateful na kaibigan kita since kinder. And love na love kita so much. I love you, happiest. Happiest? Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Mia. May your birthday be as amazing and special you are. May this year brings you joy, success. That's all. Bye-bye.
Hi, Maya. Happiest 18th birthday. I hope that you're doing well and doing good. And ang wish ko sa'yo is sana palagi kang healthy and sana wag kang magkasakit kasi I know how weak you are pagdating sa ganyan. And I hope that you get the future that you've always wanted. And I hope that you get that RN after your name. And naniniwala naman ako na kaya mo at makukuha mo. At makukuha natin yan. Alam mo yan, girl. Hindi tayo susuko hanggat walang RN sa after ng name natin. And I hope that you're now fully healed sa mga lalaking nanakit sa'yo. And I hope that you've already moved on from him. Tama, sa kanya. And sana makahanap ka ng mas better na lalaki na magmamahal sa'yo. I'm just always here for you no matter what. I'm always be your sister. Tawagan mo lang ako, i-chat mo lang kami. We will always be here for you no matter what. Happy birthday, Maya. I love you and sana malaman mo kung gaano kahalaga yung worth mo. Ang ganda natin tapos magsisettle lang tayo sa ganyan. No! Just, happy birthday, Maya. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Mia. I wish you very, very good health and long life and good luck sa college journey mo. And I hope na hindi mawalan communication natin kahit na hindi na tayo same ng schools. And wish you very good luck in your college life. I love you so much. And stay pretty and stay very good daughter sa parents mo. I love you so much, Mia. Mwah. Happy birthday, Mia. Wish you all the best for college life and happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Maya. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. Sana hindi na patigas ang ulo natin makikinig na kay Mami at Daddy. And sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Kung kailangan mo ng tulong or malalapitan, dito lang kami palagi ni Ate para sa'yo.
Happy 18th birthday, Maya. Welcome to adulthood. Even though I'm far away, just know that I'm still here for you, no matter the distance. I hope your 18th birthday is filled with lots of laughter, good food, and unforgettable memories. Wishing you happiness, good health, success, and more blessings as you start this new chapter of your life. Enjoy every moment of your special day because you only turn 18 once. Miss na kita and I hope we get to see each other again soon. And yeah, have the best birthday ever. Yangat. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Angel. I wish you the very, very best happy birthday of all. And I wish you to be successful someday and don't ever forget us. Right? Right.
Yo, happy birthday sa'yo, Maya. Happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday sa balugong pinsan. Yun. So, enjoy your day and wishing you all the best. Yun lang.
Birthday, Angel. Sana mas marami ka pang birthday dumating. Sana matas ako sa mga schoolwork. 1, 2, 3, kanya-kanya na.
Happy 18th birthday, Mayangot. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Uy, si Arthur Neri. Happy birthday, Maya. Study first and do your best always. Happy 18th.
Happy birthday, Angel Maya Blasor ka. My efforts, my BFF. Baby ni Kwan. Joke lang, Andy. Good luck sa journey mo sa S-Loop. At yun, basta galingan mo dyan para may mag-opera na sa akin na
Happy 18th birthday sa'yo, Angel May Blasurga. May mga sariling desisyon ka na para sa sarili mo na sana'y dalhin ka sa mabuting kinabukasan. Kahit ganon, makinig ka pa rin sa mga guardian mo kung nagbibigay sila ng advice sa'yo. Yun lang ang mapapayo ko and enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Maya! Stay being an angel and a sweetheart.
So, happy birthday nga pala, Maya. Ingat ka palagi and take care.
Happy birthday, Maya. Happy birthday, Maya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Maya. Happy birthday, Maya.
Happy birthday, ate. Tumanda ka na naman ng isang taon. Pero di naman nalata sa mukha. Konti lang. And sana lumaba pa ang buhay mo and para marami pa tayong mapag-awayan, ngani. Diba? Oh. And sana maging successful ka and matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Para malibre mo ulit ako. Yun lang. Peace. Happy birthday, Angel. Neneng. Happy 18th birthday. May baga lang kanyam. Kat agadal ka nga nalaing. Lalaing tanong iti kasta makapaglapas ka. Ang kaunay-unay ang barbarkada. Ang kaunay-unay ang rumrumar. Ipamaisam ti agadal. Adya ti kaure no awan ni mama. Adak palang katulungan nyo. Serbisan ka. Atid sundo. Kasta ti bili ni mama. Kanyak. Serbisan kay lata, tulungan kayo, tulungak ni mamim kandadim habang kayak pa tulungak kida nga mang padal kanya yung so nga number 1 may biling ko kanya ipamaisan ti agadal lalaingom tanong kapaglapas ka nung nalpas to ti adal monton tala kaya montong aramidon ti kaya mo pag trabahuan dito kada kanyang datanto ang desisyonan basta bilin ko lang agadal ka nga nalaing basta lang tika na data katatagarod nadano na ito itatanga birthday 18 birthday 18 birthday happy birthday sapay kumata naragsak ka dati nga panagkasangay mo na ore nung awan ti kasanong kwarta tayo at least adalata mo basit nga mapagsangwan happy birthday manan kapag naragsak ka aldaw ti panagkasangay mo I love you Nining I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel. I love you, Ate Angel. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Angel. I love you po. Happy 18th birthday. Blah. Hey.
Hi, Jel. So, you're turning 18. Sweet 18. 2 years na lang. Hindi ka na teenager. Anyway, I have a message for you. Enjoy your social life without destroying your future. You can be friends with anyone but don't follow their lifestyle. It's okay to socialize, but don't forget that you have a future. You can be friends with anyone or everyone, but don't take in their bad habits. Take only the good. Your environment can influence you, but as long as you have strong principles, you won't be easily swayed. Happy birthday!
Hi Mia, happy birthday! Gosh, 18 years old. Parang kailan lang you were still a baby. But now that you're a young adult, ang wish ko for you is for all of your dreams to come true and make wise decisions. And hopefully someday we can hang out dyan and dito. I love you so very much and God bless you always. And I hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Pangit. Sino boyfriend mo?
Happy 18th birthday to my beautiful angel, Maya. Welcome to adulthood. Now that you've reached your legal age, I hope you'll always make wise decisions. But remember, habang nasa poder ka pa ng parents mo, never hesitate to seek their guidance and advice. They will always want what's best for you. No, di ba party? Okay lang yan, Ning. Kasi kami rin naman ni Ate Rean mo didn't have a debut celebration, unlike your mom. But there's no need to compare. Ang importante is that you are healthy, happy, and blessed. God willing, you will celebrate more birthdays in the years to come. Kaya, wag ka masyadong ma-pressure sa studies mo. Okay lang kahit walang honor kasi daig ng madiskarte ang cum laude. Success isn't measured by medals alone. Okay? So, ang prayer ko sa'yo is that God will always protect, guide, and bless you as you journey through life. May you discover the purpose He has prepared for you, and may you always remain humble, kind, loving, and a faithful child of God. I hope na nagustuhan mo yung background music na ginawa kong video clips mo. Di ba? Ang cute. Happy 18th birthday once again, naning ko. I hope no na you enjoy your day, your special day, and always remember that God loves you so much, and so we are.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel. Mwah.
Happy 18th birthday na. Sana masaya ka ngayong 18 ka na sa birthday mo, kahit konting handa lang. At least mayroon din kahit konti. Ngayong 18 ka na, dapat alam mo na yung magdesisyon kung anong dapat gawin, anong mali, ano ba yung tama. Kasi laging payo ko sa iyo ni ading mo, mami mo, kami dito, tama lahat yan. At saka sana kahit ganito tayo lang, basta mag-aral lang kayong mabuti hanggang kaya ko pa magtrabaho. Love you, nak. Lagi mong tandaan, payo ng magulang para sa inyo, hindi para sa amin. Pag tsaga-tsagaan nyo muna yung anong gusto yung mabili na wala kaming maibigay. Hanggang kaya, meron. Kung wala talaga, wala. Ang number one sinasabi ko sa iyo, iwas muna yung mga boyfriend. Darating din ang panahon yan. Basta lagi mong tandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin, ng mami mo, ng ading mo. Nahiya tuloy ako magsabi ng I love you, na. Tandaan mo lagi, mahal na mahal ka namin. Ulitin ko ulit, happy 18th birthday. Sana masaya ka. Aral ka mabuti. Kasi para sa inyo yan, hindi para sa amin. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday na Jermia. Welcome to adulthood. Wow. Dalagang dalaga ka na. Di na yan mapigilan, nak. Pero tandanan mo, nak, ikaw pa rin ang baby girl namin ni Daddy. Proud na proud kami sa'yo. Pakabait ka, nak. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo lagi. At tuparin mo lahat ng mga pangarap at wishes mo. Dito lang kami ni Daddy, ni Ading, susuporta sa'yo. Kahit wala na si Mama, nak, dyan pa rin si Daddy o si Papa na nagsusundot hatid hanggang ngayon, college ka na. Ito naman yung gusto mong celebration, na simple lang. Ayaw mo ng nakagown, ayaw mo ng may program, gusto mo simple lang. Kahit simple lang yung 18th birthday mo, na sana maging masaya kayo ng mga friends mo. More birthdays to come, na. Tandanan mo, na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my love.